To make macaroni and cheese. First, bring a large pot of water to a boil. Add a dash of salt to give the macaroni more flavor. Next, pour 1 box, or 8 ounces, of macaroni into the pot, and let it cook until it's cooked through, but firm when you bite it. This should take about 8 minutes. Drain the macaroni and set aside. Now, melt a 1/4 cup, 55 grams, of butter in a pan over medium heat. Add a 1/4 cup, 32 grams, of flour, 1/2 teaspoon, 2.5 grams, of salt, and a dash of black pepper to the pan. Then, stir everything together until the mixture is smooth. Next, stir 2 cups, 475 milliliters of milk to the mixture until it's bubbling, which should take about 5 minutes. Add 2 cups, 250 grams, of shredded cheddar cheese, and stir everything for a few more minutes until the cheese is melted. Finally, fold the cooked macaroni into the cheese mixture and enjoy.